The van life trend has taken off in recent years, with more and more people embracing the freedom and adventure of traveling in a camper van. While this lifestyle requires some compromises in terms of space and comfort, the rewards, such as the ability to explore the great outdoors and live on your own terms, are immeasurable. For those who love the idea of living on the road but still want the comfort of a well-equipped home, the Mav Camper van by Tommy Camper Vans is the perfect solution. Professionally built by the talented team at Tommy Camper Vans and Adventure Trucks LLC in Phoenix, Arizona, the Mav is a fully functional and stylish camper van that combines rugged off-road capability with home-like comfort. It's designed to cater to a wide range of adventurers, from solo travelers to couples looking for a versatile vehicle that can handle both short escapes and more extended off-grid stays. The Mav is based on a 2025 AWD Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with a 170-inch wheelbase, offering ample space for all your essentials while still being compact enough to navigate tight trails and campsites. One of the standout features of the Mav is its ability to handle various terrains and weather conditions. Equipped with Tommy Camper Van's off-road adventure package, including a suspension lift kit and all-terrain tires, this camper van offers improved ride quality and ground clearance. Whether you're heading to a remote campsite or exploring rugged landscapes, the Mav is built to tackle it all. To top it off, the van has an aluminum roof rack that provides extra storage space for gear and even doubles as a spot for stargazing when you're settled in for the night. The exterior of the Mav is designed with adventure in mind. It boasts a custom off-road light package, ensuring you have enough illumination for those late-night arrivals or early morning departures. The van is also equipped with an aluminum ladder and spare tire carrier at the rear, adding to its rugged appeal. For those who love the outdoors, an exterior heated shower allows you to rinse off after a long day of exploring. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cozy, nature-inspired interior that balances rustic charm with modern functionality. The Mav's living space features handcrafted knotty pine interior walls, white shiplap ceilings, and maple and Baltic birch cabinetry, which together create a warm, welcoming environment. The beautiful walnut butcher block countertops enhance the rustic feel, making it a truly unique and comfortable space to relax after a day on the road. The layout inside the Mav is designed to be open and flexible, with no formal separation between the front cab and the living space. Swivel seats for both the passenger and driver can turn to face the rear, where they're complemented by a rectangular leg-in table. This creates a cozy seating area for meals, work, or just relaxing. The van's versatile design also includes a reinforced bench seat with seat belts for additional passengers, and it's positioned next to a large picture window, offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The kitchen in the Mav is compact yet highly functional, designed to meet the needs of van life. It features modern appliances like a double induction stove, an overhead microwave, and a custom deep sink with a gooseneck faucet. The Isotherm 130 stainless steel refrigerator, integrated into the cabinetry, is accessible both from inside and outside the van, making it easy to grab supplies without stepping inside. The bedroom is located at the rear of the van, offering a relaxing space to sleep with a fixed bed that measures 65 inches by 72 inches. Beneath the bed, you'll find storage boxes that house the van's electrical and water systems, maximizing the use of space. There's also a spacious garage area for adventure gear, so you can keep your outdoor equipment organized and easily accessible. The Mav is designed with off-grid living in mind, and its self-sufficiency is supported by a Victron electrical system that includes a 200 Ah lithium battery, a 3000 W inverter, and a DC-to-DC charger. This setup ensures that your living quarters stay powered, whether you're parked at a campsite or boondocking in the wild. For those seeking a well-crafted, all-season camper van that's ready for adventure, the Mav is a perfect choice. It combines rugged off-road capabilities with a comfortable, stylish living space, everything you need to explore the outdoors while still enjoying the comforts of home. Currently available for sale on Van Life Trader, the Mav is a great entry into the world of van living.